Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. In this tutorial, we will delve into the specifics of the Conga 5490 battery warranty and how to ensure your device remains in optimal condition. First, let's gather the necessary tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Begin by turning off your Conga 5490 and unplugging it from any power source. This is crucial for your safety. Next, locate the screws on the back panel of the device. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Keep them in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the back panel to expose the internal components. Here, you will see the battery compartment. It's essential to check for any dust or debris that may have accumulated inside. Use your soft cloth to clean the area, ensuring that no particles interfere with the battery's performance. Now, let's inspect the battery itself. If you notice any swelling or leakage, it's a sign that the battery may need replacing. Remember, if this seems too tricky, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our experts can assess the situation and provide you with the best course of action. If the battery appears to be in good condition, you can proceed to check the connections. Ensure that the battery terminals are clean and securely connected. A loose connection can often lead to performance issues. If you find any corrosion, gently clean it with a small amount of isopropyl alcohol on a cotton swab. After ensuring everything is clean and secure, it's time to reassemble your device. Carefully place the back panel back onto the Conga 5490 and reinsert the screws using your Phillips screwdriver. Make sure they are tightened properly, but avoid over-tightening as this can damage the casing. Now that your device is reassembled, it's important to test it. Plug the Conga 5490 back in and turn it on. Monitor its performance to ensure that the battery is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, remember that we provide collection and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get your device serviced without any hassle. Before proceeding with any repairs, we always provide a quote before repair, so you know exactly what to expect. This transparency helps you make informed decisions about your device's maintenance. In summary, maintaining your Conga 5490 battery is essential for its longevity and performance. Regular cleaning and checks can prevent many common issues. If you ever feel uncertain about handling repairs yourself, don't hesitate to reach out for professional help. With our services, you can enjoy peace of mind knowing your device is in good hands. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.